titan that's rising on, just you watch. I'm stepping into fame. There is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me. This is how legends are made.
4-6 Savage here, and today we're going to talk about what I did to the Focus. Now, as you all can see, I did a muffler delete. And the reason I did that is the muffler was falling down and was literally touching the ground. So I went ahead and cut it out, and of course I got the pipe, and I'll do a couple of pulls and clips and everything in it. But I kind of like it, I kind of don't. To me it sounds ricerish. Now it's only temporary. I'm getting an exhaust system and a long tube header put on it, but it's only temporary. So check out the pulls and check out the idle sound. And so since I have no Mustang content as of yet, we're going to do a video on the Focus. I did a muffler delete on the Focus. Not really too happy of it, but the muffler was getting ready to fall off anyway, so I just took it off. So tell me what y'all think. That's with the muffler and the resonator taken off, and that's only idling at $1,000. And we'll get out in a minute as soon as I done. Back up here for a second. See if I can get it with an idling. My door leaks a little bit. Let's see if I can get without it idling. With it idling. It's quiet, I like it, but once I get up in the higher RPMs, and I'll do a video on that in a second, you'll see how bad it is. It's gonna be fun driving stick with one hand. So, seatbelt on so this thing will stop beeping. And we'll go ahead and do some exhaust clips. Driveway's a little bumpy. Go ahead. Not too bad. It's not too noisy, but for me it sounds just right. I still think it sounds like a ricer, but I'm getting the new exhaust system put on it. I'm also doing a long tube header, so it's gonna sound better. But stay tuned for more Mustang content. Reason Mustang content hasn't been put out is because of the COV-19. Yeah, they've got all the confusion, and I just haven't gotten around to getting the trans fully out. Trans is halfway pulled, but aside from that, there's really nothing going on. I haven't had time to get around and get stuff done. a couple pops when we get in there. But that's going to be all for this video. Remember to like and subscribe. And remember, be savage.